Hello everyone. In this campaigner review, we will examine its features, the benefits, the potential drawback to help you decide if it is the best email marketing platform for you this year. So to get started, Campaigner is a tool that helps you connect with people through email message. It lets you create cool-looking emails with its easy editor. You can also write all sorts of message to all people about your business or share news. Campaigner also help you understand how people act when they receive your emails, such as whether they open them or click or a link. They also care about your privacy and have a privacy policy to keep your information safe. I'm talking about this platform with these best features. It comes with a wide range of features. So talking about Campaigner stand out with some really helpful tools that make email marketing easier and more effective. These features are designed to help you connect with your audience and more effectively and achieve better campaign results. So let's take a close look at some of the best things Campaigner can do for you. So one of the best things Campaigner can do for you is comes with an advanced segmentation. It also comes with a conversation tracking and email campaigns together with an email design and a landing page. So how these features makes the platform more easier and best after the best for you. So talking about the pricing, here looks at the campaigners pricing plan, keeping in mind that the exact cost can change, so it's always a good idea to check their website for the latest information about their pricing plan. So they actually have a different pricing plan. They have the starter plan, they have the essential plan, the advanced plan, and e-commerce plan. So if you want to, so you can simply get back to the website to check which of the plan works best for you and which of the plan has some specific key features that you can be used for your business. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this Buffy website. Thanks.